Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Brickmania VR, a fantastic virtual reality experience. This game lets you shrink down to the size of a small brick, exploring a massive room filled with fun activities. You can run, jump, and interact with other players in a vibrant, engaging world. It's an exciting sandbox adventure that offers hours of entertainment for everyone. To begin your Brickmania VR journey, you'll need a Meta Quest headset. The game is fully supported across several Meta Quest platforms, including the Quest 2, Quest Pro, Quest 3, and Quest 3S. You can easily locate and download the game directly from the official Meta Quest store, ensuring a smooth and secure acquisition process. Downloading Brickmania VR is straightforward. First, open the Meta Quest store on your VR headset or through the companion app on your phone. Use the search function to find Brickmania. Once you locate the game, simply select it and choose the option to download. The game is free and requires about 409 megabytes of storage space on your device. Once installed, launch Brickmania VR and prepare for adventure. You'll find yourself in a huge room, ready to explore. The game offers exciting features like built-in mods for unique abilities, a free camera for capturing moments, and an in-game mall to customize your brick. Join other players in casual or infection game modes for endless fun and interaction.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.